Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Feta Saganaki. I've done a Saganaki with kepalotiri previously and I've had requests to do the Feta and I promised it. So what you need, Saganaki basically means fried, okay? So what we're doing is frying the Feta with a coating of flour. So you've got yourself a block of Feta. This is pretty thick actually compared to what I would normally use, but it's just a single piece that I've got out of the packet as is. It's a Greek Feta. Now you coat it with the flour. Okay, turn around, try to get a nice coating on the edges. Okay, it's a bit messy. Pat it on. Now, meanwhile, you've got your oil, which I've got heating up in the background. You heat it up. You don't want it too hot, the oil. You don't want it to start smoking away whilst you put this on. Nice medium heat. And I think we're ready to go. Now, I usually like using the harder cheeses, the kepalotiri, kepalograviera, because they don't melt as quickly as the Feta does. I'm a bit worried about this, but let's give it a go. Okay, all right, so come over here. Now, we've got our fry pan, which is on heat. And that should be ready to go. So, oops, there's a splash there. Okay, so basically we're going to fry it here, probably about a minute or so. Wait for it to get that nice golden coating on the one side, and I'll put a bit of oil here so it doesn't stick when I flip it over in a minute. And as you can see, it's not too hot, the oil, but it's warm enough to fry it and not just sit there swimming in it. So we're back in a second when it's time to flip. Okay, time to flip it over. So this is the part that could be, oh, lovely. Okay. As you can see, it's got that lovely golden coating. The thing you try to achieve is you don't want the crust to break. So I'll lower the temperature a little bit now. I think this is going to be pretty successful here because it hasn't started melting all through the fry pan. Because it's a thick block, it seems to be holding its shape. But in Greece, typically this comes as a, an entree with a bit of salad. Usually served with a lemon wedge. Get my tasting utensil. But this is pretty close to. Can lift it up and have a look. A little bit longer. Now another thing that you can do with this is actually, apart from lemon, you can even drizzle a bit of honey, and it actually tastes like a lugumada, the sweet with the savoury. It goes quite well. You can sprinkle some nuts on it if you want, some walnuts. But what we'll do today is we'll have it with the traditional lemon, and I think we're pretty close to this being done. Lovely coating on the other side. Perfect. Okay, I'll turn off the fry pan. Now, this is typically the way you would normally serve it. Squeeze a bit of lemon juice on it. Be quite liberal. And let's give it that famous taste test. Okay. It's actually fantastic. It's molten, not drizzling. And with a lovely Feta, this is a beautiful entree. Enjoy, subscribe, and look at my other videos as well. Thank you.